This tutorial shows you how to silence notifications for specific conversations on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Find the chat you want to mute and press and hold on it to select it. From there, tap on the mute icon at the top of the screen. At this point, a window will appear asking how long you want to mute the chat for. From there, choose from the available options: 8 hours, 1 week, or always. After that, tap on your preferred duration to confirm. In the next step, the chat will now be muted and a small muted icon will appear next to it in your chat list. From there, you will no longer receive notification sounds or pop-ups for new messages in that conversation. Once done, repeat the same process for any other chats you want to mute. Following this, if you want to unmute a chat, go back to your chat list and press and hold on the muted conversation. From here, tap on the mute icon again and select Unmute to restore notifications for that chat. At this stage, keep in mind that muting a chat does not stop messages from coming through. It only silences the notifications, so you can still read messages normally whenever you open the chat. Finally, go back to your chats and confirm your muted and unmuted conversations are set up the way you want. And that's it. If this guide helped you mute chats on WhatsApp, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.